Hello, I'm Cryptamiga, and this is my first part about project EOT and about EON token. And here is a website, and you can see that in whitelist there are many people, and this project um, in game industry, it can help to create more games to users. And as you can see, here is the website, and there are many people who trust this project, and I think we will be happy. And as you can see, this project is very popular, and you can find information about it in such big media portals. And here you can see information about team, about white paper where you can read more details. Here is team and subscribers. Here is information about ICO. And this project have a very great rating, and as you can see, we had already raised a great sum, and this project marked as positive, and I think it's really true. And I want to introduce the idea of this project to you, and I download the white paper from the website. And as you can see, here information about market. The game market is very great today, and it counts about billions of dollars, and the market is growing every day, and I think more and more users choose games, and we want to build a community of more than 100,000 game players and developers, and we built a successful game with many users. And as you can see, here is information about his table of contents, includes introduction, game industry overview, the game overview, problem to solve, and our information. Here information about market, about problems, and as you can see, it's a great market. Here is information about game CryptoKitties, and here information about the game 2.0. And it's you must understand the differences between traditional games and the games. After building a game by ourselves and talking with our game developers, we start to find the answer to a crucial question: what is the difference between traditional games and the games? Only by knowing the differences we can build better games. Our answers are as follows: traditional games in-game currency cannot be used outside the game, while for the games can exchange the currency of different games. This is a huge challenge for traditional game designers because they have never done this before. Secondly, most of traditional games in-game assets cannot be traded inside or outside the game, while for the game, developers can create digital assets as non-fungible tokens which can be traded inside or outside games. And thirdly, parts of games logic can be written using smart contracts, which means game developers cannot make money by tricking players anymore. And lastly, the governance of games may change. Traditional games life cycle is controlled by a centralized game developer, while for games the future of a game is governed by the game community. And I think it's a very useful information because I, for example, don't know what's the difference, but now I know. And I think this project can solve many problems. For example, performance limitation, problems with payments because there are many problems with it, digital assets, and so I think it's for today is enough. It's my first part. In the second part I will continue. I'm Crypto Amigo. Have a nice day. Goodbye.